Hello everybody, welcome back to our reaction channel. Today's reaction is linktr.ee girls. If you the people start, please subscribe, thumbs up, don't forget notification bell and share my video. If you already subscribe, please thumbs up and share my video. Also, congratulations. If you want to escape our working color or preparing people to show me all the Twitch, now start this video. Let's go. I'm buzzed, I'm sure. I can't believe it. I can't expect. Holy moly. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Heck yeah. So wonderful. It's wonderful. Wow, wonderful. Holy moly. Really up. No. Lovely. So lovely guy. I like it all. Heck yeah. Nice. Good job. Nice. It's nice. Jesus Christ. Very good. They awesome. Wow. Awesome. Jesus Christ. Gorgeous. I like it a lot. You too, bye.